At this point, I would love to invite up on stage my dear friend, Bill Waid. Bill is our Chief Product and Technology Officer. He and his team have been dreaming up all kinds of phenomenal stuff, and I've been thinking hard about how to put the right pieces in place at the right time to actually bring this to life. And that future that I outlined earlier this morning, there's really something that Bill and the team have worked hard to put in place and have really worked hard to develop. And I'm beyond excited to have Bill come join us on stage and to actually share these groundbreaking new results that we are putting out and these new innovations that we're bringing to market. Bill?
Thank you, Nikhil. Good morning. When I stood on this stage last year, the intelligent revolution was already in full swing. In fact, the level of innovation that many of you have put on FICO Platform made you a vanguard of this revolution. 12 months later, technology and AI progression has not relented. In the next 14 minutes, my goal is to highlight the innovations we are working to put into your hands by the end of this calendar year. Much of that is undergoing beta evaluations right now as we speak. My focus today will be limited to highlights, so I encourage you to visit the Solution Center for hands-on demonstrations and attend detailed breakouts that will delve into the many exciting aspects of what's coming. Later this year, we will release the next version of FICO Platform. It will redefine the decision intelligence platform category, and it will establish the next horizon of growth for your businesses. That version targets major enhancements that enable FICO's enterprise fraud solution and requests from many of you. The next release introduces many new enhancements and new and enhanced capabilities for FICO Platform. Today, I'm going to focus on just 4 of them. The first, feature management, is one of the most material enhancements to the FICO Platform and warrants a deeper dive. First, features transcend all FICO Platform use cases, meaning that features are shared across FICO Platform, inherently promoting expanded reuse and ROI for each of your use case landscape. This enables you to amplify the investments you make in one use case, say fraud, for all other use cases, marketing, customer management, collections, and others. Second, features manage their own state. This is new. It means features will adapt in real time to what's happening in the market and your business so that they will always be up to date with the latest information, an always-on reliable source. The data is federated. This means you don't need to make investments in data warehouses or normalizing your data. The data lineage is automatically tracked to the specific use cases for both audit and business outcome measurement. We have replaced the need for traditional ETL work and replaced them with validation and transformation services that greatly simplify and automate data integration. We have added automatic persistent for features on FICO Platform, which eliminates the need for you to establish databases or manage the data. We have added intelligent agents that check for logic flaws in your feature calculations and automatically sequence those calculations. All of this is initially accomplished with 6 different feature calculation types, including time-based windows, recursive profiles, global profiles, and KPIs, and others. What does this mean for your business? Fraud transaction profiles across customers, device, payee, and other entities is a standard fraud practice. But what if we also profile for transactional risk offers and servicing? Those profiles could quickly open insights into additional use cases such as delinquency, line management, and offers. In practice, this is being done today by many of you, but at the expense and complexity of managing the data and sending that data for each use case. With feature management, this is no longer required. The state of these profiles is automatically updated across the use cases on FICO Platform. But it does not end there. As new data is sent to FICO Platform, existing features are enriched, new features are added, and use cases can expand with nominal effort, all while deriving deeper insights and greater business return. Let's move on to composition. Composition offers a simplified and streamlined business function for creating new use cases. Compositions do not require any scripting, coding, or data integration, hence the term business. All composed capabilities are intelligent about what they need. I'm going to repeat that. All composed capabilities are intelligent about what they need. They know how they work. They know how they execute. They even know how to test and visualize their outcome. Hang on to that. They are also data aware. They are aware of all of the features that are on FICO Platform. This means you no longer have to worry about passing them data. It's aware, inherently and automatically. This means the process of composition does not require complex skills to gain reuse and configure new use cases. With the addition of a fully self-declared lifecycle management capable of user-defined workflows, approvals, and tracking, and supplemented by a defined option for persistence governance tracking, composability addresses compliance and management considerations with a full audit history. I'll just let that sink in for a bit. Between feature management and business composability, the level of effort to configure new use cases has been materially reduced. Let's move on to the next one, decisioning. This next generation decisioning that we are introducing is such an industry-leading, game-changing aspect, I cannot steal the thunder of the team later today. So I'm going to encourage you to attend the session in this room after the main stage later today. They're going to step you through how unified metaphors will ease the authoring and visualization, fundamentally changing the way you think about decisioning. They will discuss how decisions come analytic ready for data-driven improvements, how they are traceable, and how there is a persistence audit trail to understand outcomes. Like compositions, they are data aware, but they are also self-aware and outcome aware, driving the next generation of decision intelligence to our industry-leading capabilities. Last but not least is our newly architected deployment management. It's important from a business and a technology perspective. It offers fully client-managed deployment without the need for provisioning. That means it's entirely in your control. It includes automatic upgrades with your testing, which means that when you launch something and test it, you have the latest and greatest from FICO. It offers simplified elastic compute with a full control plane. For those who are less technical in the audience, it means you actually have visibility and control over what's going on with FICO Platform. It also offers self-healing and automated recovery. But my favorite one, the most challenging one, it supplies support for multi-regional synchronization of configurations and state. Many of you have asked for this. It means we can run in multi-regions at the same speed we run in a single region. Not an easy feat. With this version of FICO Platform, we are empowering enterprise fraud solution on FICO Platform. Let's take a look at what that means. First, the models. We have actually incorporated the existing Falcon fraud models that you use today into this platform architecture. This simplifies and offers backward compatibility for all Falcon users today to move to platform. It also offers independent expansion of the data and for modeling upfront and over time, meaning you can change the data model and expand it however and whenever you see. This streamlines and simplifies the adoption of enterprise fraud solution on FICO Platform, but at the same time, it expands the predictive power of the models and offers a stronger business outcome unique to your business, unique to you. We also are offering simplified model upgrades through the cloud offering, along with the option to run simultaneous models for performance evaluation. It horizontally scales across the volumes of all fraud type and unifies profiles for a deeper fraud insight. The Case Manager offers a modernized alert and case management user experience tailored specific to your individual needs. Direct integration with the fraud detection for model hot lists and rules closed loop feedback. Tailored queue management and routing, dynamic reporting, and KPI visualization. Of course, it comes with business configurability. So you can bring your own models, you can bring your own hot lists, you can bring your own rules for improved solution performance, but also differentiation. You can have an established, supported enterprise fraud solution from FICO, or you can configure a unique fraud solution with FICO capabilities, still leveraging FICO models and IP. We are introducing AI-based outcome assistance. There is so much I could say about this, but I'm going to encourage you to visit the Innovation Center and see it firsthand. I want you to see this first by actually looking at the demo. It's the most impressive way and easiest way to understand what we're offering here. Of course, we are offering robust profile feature management, all user-defined across all fraud types and customer, device, payee, and any sort of entity you would like to. But most importantly, what most of you asked for is we've enhanced the execution support for multiple contexts, not only to hundreds, but thousands of features in a high throughput, low latency execution. I won't share the numbers, but you will all be impressed by them. We will also offer predefined features from FICO and third parties, so you can actually increase your rapid adoption. All of this is made available and delivered through a fully public and private marketplace. You have access to the complete FICO enterprise fraud solution. You can explore pre-configured inventory of fraud capabilities. You can discover a growing catalog of relevant third-party data providers. You can easily incorporate third-party capabilities and solutions into your use cases. And you can see available service providers ready to support you on your FICO platform journey. But you can also create your own enterprise marketplace. This is a request from you, where you can have internal collaboration and sharing and lifecycle management and subscription management for your enterprise, sharing assets across your enterprise. This is just the beginning. We have numerous planned innovations over the next 12 to 18 months that build upon your investments in FICO Platform and these next generation capabilities just shared. For starters, these capabilities are based on an agentic software architecture that will empower you partners, clients, and FICO to produce agentic solutions, including AI solutions. You will see incremental AI assistance and intelligent capabilities. You will see feature management grow with event-driven feature triggers, paving the way to transformational risk management approach, shifting your business from a proactive customer engagement model. Our processors and partners will expand marketplace-driven use cases, capitalizing on the fraud investments. It will include risk-based transactional analytics, personalized data offers, client servicing, and more. This is just a sneak peek into what's coming. Please join me in this journey by exploring all of these new innovations this week and discover how they can help you with your investments in FICO Platform. Thank you very much.